Who was it said to get outdoors, are you? Some stupid idiot named Richie. Whew.
Which one are we check for before we go?
Alright ladies and gents, come with us today as we get outdoors in our favourite place in the Lake District, Eskdale Valley. Oh, wrong one, turn you around. This is my daughter Rose, she's 15. She's never been wild camping with us before, and we're going to do a nice little summer camp today up near Eskdale and Eskdale. We don't know the exact area yet, but we're going to have a little scout and hopefully find a nice little flat area up high with a nice view. After we've done that wild camp, we're going to go wild swimming and find some hidden gems that I've never seen anywhere else online before. I've been scouring the maps looking for them. Could turn out shite, could turn out amazing. Wait and see. We're out here on Friday, it's just gone 4:30. I was not expecting this. I mean, I knew coming from Newcastle it was meant to be a scorcher in Newcastle, 30 degrees, but it said 24ish on Eskdale on the report. I was like, oh, be a bit cooler down there. Oh, but by God, we've been caught out. It's going to be perfect tonight for wild camping where we're off now. However, getting there is going to be hellish. Oh, wish we luck. We're going to have to hoy some water ourselves along the way. Probably going to hear me say this 100 times throughout this video. Whoo, whoo, the heat. But by God, if you're hiking in this right now, especially when you know you've got to get over to there, up to the top of that mountain, I'm like, how am I going to do this? For once, I'm going to have to not rush it and actually take my time. Hopefully the wild camping tonight and tomorrow morning makes up for it. I want a beautiful sunset, beautiful sunrise, and an amazing swim, and a beautiful hidden gem. I've been planning for years on the map, caught my eye a couple of times going past it, never seen anybody else go there, but it looks like it could be unreal to me. Just a little small hidden spot away from everybody else. We see how it goes, but you know me, I'm always finding the good spots and enjoying the fuck out of them. Oh, well, time to soldier on. Finally came across some running water, what looks clean-ish. So, here's a top tick? No, don't have any ticks. Here's a top tip. When you're out on a boiling hot hike, if you're a baldy like me, or even if you've got hair, you really need to cool down, you've got a hat. Trust me, you will not regret it. Soak your hat, put it on your head, and it's going to protect your head from the heat for at least a good half an hour, 45 minutes. We're going to go here and get some water.
Struggle.
We're absolutely struggling today. I've just soaked my hat and my whole shirt in an effort to cool down, and the biggest part of the incline's just starting. We've got about 800 metres to climb now before we get to the wild camping spot. There's some amazing places to swim there, but getting there, 3 hours of torture. Here we come. Wish me luck. Check this out, guys. This is where we're going to be spending time tomorrow. We'll spend hours swimming in here. The beautiful Esk Falls. Alright guys, quick update. So, in the drastic heat, I made a spur of the moment decision. See there, I know this place off by heart. Fuck it, let's walk along the waterfall. Got a nice little bit of breeze to cool it down a bit. But we came to a dead end, and now we're having to like hack it through all this bracken, hoping to get back on the simple route, which I know. But it's just ended up costing more energy than it saved. Sometimes that's the way it goes. But happy days, Rose, I think, when I can see the path up here. Whew. Pulled this camera out right on time. I swear I didn't know any other path. I was pulling it out just to document your own foolish behaviour.
Dry when I'm exercising.
We are dying. We're about 2/3 the way to my first spot that I've been thinking of. It's all dependent on whether someone else is there, whether I find flat ground. At the minute we're so hot and knackered, I'm just thinking of camping at the first spot I find for tonight so we can rest. See what counts. Who was it said to get outdoors? Oh yeah, some stupid idiot named Richie. Who am I kidding? This is what life's all about. Experiences while you're alive. Can't suffer when you're dead. Make the most of it now. Get out there. Look at this. This is peak wild camping country, this. I think we're going to venture a little bit further. Maybe a bit more private. For now, I think we're going to stop somewhere for a break. Wow.
I literally feel like a balloon.
Cool water.
I'm so light.
The water isn't even that cool.
Wait, I want to take... It's like a strawberry right now. Ah, I'm slipping.
Look at the camera, smile. You look tall here. This is me just filling up some water here for my soya filter system that I use. It's extremely handy and can filter out absolutely any water. The water up here is fresh water, and if it wasn't for the filter I would consider it mostly safe to drink anyways, but just to be safe I always use my soya filter system. Here's just a quick speed run of us two putting the two-man tent up. It's a very easy tent to put up, very fast and speedy, very strong. We didn't need the outer section on, so it took with all of about 2-3 minutes.
Which we're not a check for before we go. God.
Check this out, guys. The sun's just setting over the top of the mountains. We needed to come have a swim because, as you've probably seen from your earlier videos, we were absolutely dying in the heat. We needed to cool down before we could settle down for the night. We've got this lovely little valley all to ourselves. This isn't the best part of it, like, because we're camping nearby here. We're going to take a little trek up tomorrow morning, and there's some secret waterfalls waiting for up there, as well as some more, even more beautiful parts than this. Nice refreshing day before settling down for a beautiful wild camp up in the fells. Woo! Hell yeah! Oh. Can't catch me foot in there. Absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait to explore the rest of this in the morning. Stand up, let's see how long your hair is.
Wow.
Just gonna pull a pose. Alright there guys, so this is us set up for the night. This is our tent. Tonight we're not going to put the outer shell on. We're just gonna, it is in the middle of summer, it's going to be 15 degrees lower, so we're just going to sit in it like this so that we can look up and see the stars tonight. Because if you look up, the sky is absolutely crystal clear. We've just started a little miniature fire. If you look, always use this little fireball type thing. It's pretty small, it doesn't do much. You're not gonna like cook nothing big on it or anything, but it just creates enough smoke to keep the bugs away and just to be able to enjoy the night. I've got it on a stone there, this big stone that has quite a big ditch underneath it. What I'll be doing in the morning with these coals is I'll be dumping them underneath the rock in the hole, and that'll just crush them down. It'll all decompose and it's good for the soil anyways, so it'll leave no trace. Look at that gorgeous view. What a place to go wild camping. Eskdale Valley. Absolutely stunning. We're just chilling in my sleeping bags now, eating snacks. It's been a long day. Still not dark yet. I think we've got about another hour before it gets properly dark. But we're just chilling. Putting my feet up. Might go out in a bit, but for now we're just enjoying the fruits of our labour, getting comfortable, ready for an early morning tomorrow. We've got a lot more hiking to do. Check out these views though. Join us for part 2, where we continue our hike and go wild swimming in some beautiful hidden gems. One of the few remaining wild swimming places still manages to remain hidden from the everyday tourist, mainly due to the difficulty and effort required to reach it. And lastly, life was always meant to be your adventure, so express yourself, be authentic, get stuck in and get outdoors.